quite a lot of projects that are ongoing, which we had the opportunity of looking at. We also recall that there are some challenges that over the past months had cropped up. I also needed to see firsthand what the state of affairs are. Haven't gone around, I think we'll now go back and see how best we can address the challenges, while we continue to encourage the contractors that are handling the projects to make sure that they keep to the terms of the contract. A peaceful state brings prosperity to all of us, not just those from within the state, but to Nigeria. And I think we all have to work together to make sure that we make this state a place we love to be in. Thank you.
Sorry. Not too great.
So every other person works from here? From the ICT?
No, not all.
Let's pick up.
Because the person that was handling it is Chidiloi.
That's why you should take us to. This one is already. Where we're supposed to go. When the doctor in charge, the medical doctor in charge of this place. Let me come together. Naira. Where is it? Progress. Somebody. Progress. Where is progress? Progress.
Sorry, Chris.
Okay, see the person that is on duty.
Tom.
Good enough.
Go that way.
Progress is working as a health worker.
Health worker, as a doctor, as what?
No, I'm a health educator.
Where's your boss?
He's around. They have emergency at one of the health center.
So what can you tell us about this place?
Okay, we used here as a sick bed in the council. I was in Emohua. But we are facing little challenge of stealing.
No, that's not the issue. Tell us what you
What do you do?
Okay, what we do all services apart from operation. But we do immunization, we do delivery, and any other functions that primary health care used to carry out.
All the facility and
Emohua
local government.
They come here for vaccine here.
So
we have vaccine
that's the
coaching
most
office.
important thing here. They store vaccine here and they collect vaccine.
Yes, so it's one of the best now to avoid.
Yeah, go for it.
Wait.
Everywhere.
Those are the buildings.
Is it?
Yes, now.
When we come, if there is something government will get for that's why
people come to do oversight first of all to be able to do for long. Neither I came around and
This one, I'm just with you.
it's already abandoned. It's already abandoned because they have.
Huh? We're not good there. Do your step.
I know, no,
Is it? Watch your step before you go step on something now.
Oh, okay. You know they didn't go to the place.
Where is the hospital?
Yeah, the
it's
building.
inside, but people are it's not working. That's what I'm saying. If there is how government can help to build the structure so that it's working.
I thought you show me a facility that I can be able to use this.
You have staff here? You have staff? Do you have staff?
We have staff, but they have already relocated them to other facilities because of the nature of this place.
Local government is at other.
Director.
Regional hospital. Yes, the best one time ago, there was fire incident. Yeah, the quarters somewhere between. Because of that, we didn't continue renting skeletal services. Yes, so records. Use this place. Yeah, so like you said.
Yes, sir. Because of this, we call the area commander regarding that the judge we're talking about them. So we manage somewhere in other also. Myself, the people officers, you senior officers.
When last was this place opened?
Engineer.
When last
The,
was this place opened?
2008.
Yes. Okay. So I'll do the report. Okay.